How can you fix weird tire noises during a road trip? Imagine cruising down the highway when suddenly you hear strange noises coming from your tires. It can be unsettling, but don't worry. Many tire noises are fixable with some simple checks. First, listen carefully to the type of sound. Is it a humming, clicking, or thudding noise? When it happens can also give clues. For example, humming sounds often come from uneven tire wear or misalignment. Clicking noises might mean a small object is caught in the tread. Thudding sounds could be flat spots or tire damage. Next, inspect your tires closely. Look for uneven tread wear, which can cause humming sounds. Check for flat spots, cracks, or embedded objects like nails or glass. If you see damage or the tread is worn down below to 32nd of an inch, it's time to replace or rotate the tires. Also, ensure all lug nuts are tight. Loose lug nuts can cause strange noises and are unsafe. Use a tire iron to tighten them in a star pattern, tightening each nut to 50 to 75 foot-pounds of torque. If you suspect wheel bearings are the issue, test them by driving at a moderate speed and turning the steering wheel left and right. If the noise gets louder on one side, the bearing might need replacing. Wheel bearings usually cost around $50 to $150 to replace and take about an hour. Check your wheel alignment and balance. Misaligned wheels wear tires unevenly and cause noise. Balancing tires involves adding small weights to the wheel to reduce vibrations. If you notice vibration or uneven wear, it's best to have a professional do this. Regularly rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles helps keep wear even and reduces noise. Make sure your tires are inflated to the pressure recommended in your vehicle owner's manual. Under or overinflated tires wear unevenly and can cause noise. Use a tire pressure gauge to check and adjust the pressure, which usually costs less than $5. Also, inspect your suspension and steering parts. Worn shocks, struts, tie rods, or ball joints can cause tires to make noise by affecting how they contact the road. If these parts are worn, have them checked and replaced if needed. When choosing tires for your trip, consider highway or touring tires. They tend to produce less noise than off-road or performance tires. If your tires are over 6 to 10 years old or show cracks, it's safest to replace them. Rubber deteriorates over time, increasing noise and risk of blowouts. By systematically checking these areas, you can often fix weird tire noises yourself and enjoy a smoother ride. If the noise persists after these steps, it's best to visit a mechanic for a thorough inspection. This way, you can stay safe and keep your trip enjoyable.